Blessed morning to each and every one of you. Welcome back to another video. Give God thanks and praise. We have life, health and strength. That is the best gift. Alright, so this morning I'll be making some sorrel drink using this dry sorrel. Alright, so the sorrel drink now with a twist. I'm going to use it with cream soda. Alright, and show you what I go on. But first, you have to clean up the sorrel, take out any little trash out of it and so forth. Clean it up properly. Yeah man, go through it thoroughly and take out any little trash and any of the dry sorrel that is not good. You take them out and give it a wash. You man, wash it 2 or 3 times. Yeah man, and then you go ahead and set on your water, and you can grate your ginger, or you can beat up your ginger and put it in the water and so forth, or blend it. But I blend mine because I don't know me I did it quick and fast before I go work. So when I come back, I can have some sorrel drink the other day and thing. Yeah, because I jar the sorrel and thing, I put it down and strain it and sweeten it the another day. Alright, yeah man, I sweeten it and put it for cool and things. So yeah man, this sorrel drink is nice man, because I use cream soda in it. Yeah, so for the people who no use alcohol and you want to try it, yeah man, the cream soda, cause my mother first me do it, and when me get a drink of it, man, I tell her say it's refreshing and nice, one stop drink it. So I say alright, I go try it myself, and trust me, you can try it if you want man. That's my mother's favorite drink, right through sorrel with cream soda, cause she's not the alcohol person. She put rum in it or those things. So she use the cream soda. Yeah man, I tell her, give it a nice flavor man, nice taste. When you take your first sip man, you lead up to your second sip, you don't want to stop drink it man. It's nice man. So right here, me there go and go through it and pick out a little stems them and a little part them when not so good. Yeah, me I take them out. Yeah man, so I think set up man, so I just stay tuned and watch how me deal with it. Alright, yeah man. So right about now, me I go catch some water. Yeah, if you draw the sorrel, yeah man. So I go add in little cinnamon powder in it also, so give it that nice flavor. You can use the cinnamon leaves or the cinnamon stick at the moment, and the cinnamon powder me I use. Yeah man, so you set up man. So after me add in the cinnamon powder, I go put a little nutmeg in it also, the nutmeg powder. Yeah man, so I tell people, trust me man, the drink ya nice. Yeah man, the drink can make you go back in your childhood days when your grandparents and usually make those sorrel drink. Yeah man, this now I'm a ginger when me blend, so me get the real strength out of the ginger when me blend it. Yeah man, to me it's stronger when it blend more than when you grate it or when you beat it up and add it to the water, right? Yeah man, so you set up man, and then now me go ahead and wash my sorrel. So at the moment the water hot and thing, so me I go just put in sorrel, you know, and make it go and boil up. Yeah man, make it get a proper boil, and then now me give it some time for cool down and dry properly. So at the moment now me I just cover it. Yeah man, so it thinks that I make him stay there go on with himself fully active man. See how it looking now with a boil up. Yeah man, red and pretty. Yeah man, I can smell it man. I can smell the aroma of the cinnamon and it nutmeg man. Yeah man, and the sorrel combined together man. So you don't know how it thinks it, you know. Alright. So me I go ahead here now and just turn it off and cover him properly and put him down, make him go and cool, alright. The next morning you know, so me just I go give him a strain. Yeah, because it's cooler now and everything. So me I go strain him off and add in my little sugar to my taste and add in my little cream soda to it. Yeah man, so watch what I go on with people. Wanna just subscribe and share the video, like, and wanna free to comment. Right, you see the juice pretty. Yeah man, the dry sorrel. Yeah man. Pretty man. Look at the color man. Oh gosh. Give it a second strain to a finer strainer, you know. Yeah man. You know what's in the pan him way? Yeah. No liquid jugs or nothing. No in it. Yeah man. So it thing set up man. Yeah man. See how look you now. Pretty and everything. So I'm gonna add in my sugar and thing, sweeten it to taste, and after me sweeten it now, then me go ahead and add in cream soda after, and then trust me man, when you put this in cool man, and take a glass of this, trust me man, you don't want to stop drink it man. Yeah man, as you can see, I'm just pouring the cream soda in it. Yes I. So it thing set up man, real sorrel drink this man, refreshing man, trust me man, you can try it man. Right, so I'm just go and bless up on yourself and watch what I go on. Alright. After me finally sweeten it now, I just give it back another strain, because you don't know, you know, want a little jug from the sugar or thing in your drink. Yes man. I just say thing set up man. Yeah, man, so you can just try that drink, yeah, man, and bless up on yourself. Alright, peace. I'm out.